Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. As you have already seen in the title, today I am going to tell you what are the essential things you need in your beginner's makeup kit. If you're a beginner and want to build your own makeup kit, then do check the video out. So to begin with, if you want to have that flawless base, you obviously have to prep your skin. For prepping your skin, you will obviously exfoliate your skin before applying any kind of makeup. Before applying any kind of makeup, make sure to moisturize your skin very nicely, and after moisturizing it, after about 10 minutes, use a primer. Primer will create a barrier between your face and the makeup. So my suggestion for primer is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's a very nice affordable primer. It is for $4.99 and it's a very nice primer. Next in the list is, as you are a beginner and if you don't want to go heavy on your base, like heavy on your skin, then you should invest in then you should first try BB creams and first know how to blend it. Then after that you can go for a foundation. If you want to invest in a foundation, I also have something for that also. For BB cream, I'll suggest you for Garnier Perfectly Skin BB cream. This is a very nice BB cream. You get SPF in it too, and it's a very nice BB cream. You get this for 75 rupees for 9 gram of product. So the next suggestion for your base will be a CC cream. This is Lakme 925 CC cream. The best part about this product is that it comes in 3 different shades. So you get options to match your BB cream with your skin tone. And the down part of this Garnier BB cream is that it doesn't have any shades. So you have to manage with what they have. If you want to directly jump for foundation, I will recommend you for Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It's very light to medium coverage foundation. You can build the coverage too. And it's a very nice foundation, good for Indian skin tone. And it has a wide range of shades, so you can easily match up with your skin. Next, for concealer, recommending you Maybelline New York Concealer. You need, as you all need concealer to highlight your high points on the face. If you also want to hide your marks, you can use a concealer for that. This one is also light to medium coverage concealer, works best for me. And the LA Girl Pro Concealer is also a nice concealer, but it has a high coverage. So choose according whichever you need. Now you all must be thinking like, what should we use to blend this on? I would recommend you to use a beauty sponge like this. This is from Nykaa. It's a very nice sponge and it's very cheap too. So you can invest in a sponge because it wouldn't give you the streaky finish that a brush gives. Like if you don't want to invest much on a brushes, I don't say that all brushes give that streaky finish, but some give it. So for the affordability, I'll suggest you to use a beauty sponge. So to set your concealer, you might be needing a banana powder for that, because if you don't set it, then it might freeze. So I'll be suggesting you Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. If you are a beginner, as usual, you don't want to invest much and you don't want to have 30 different products. So it will be a best option if you invest in palettes, because you get a lot of things in one palette also. So in this palette, you get a contouring shade or a bronzing shade plus a banana powder, which is a win-win situation. You don't have to buy separate products and waste your money. You are getting 2 different products in one go. So it's a nice option. Next, for blush, if you want to have that flushed skin, I'll be suggesting you for this Maybelline Master Blush by Face Studio. This has 3 shades very nicely with all the skin tones, plus it has a highlighter too. You don't need a separate blush, separate highlighter. Just invest in one palette and you're good to go. Am I right? If you don't want to have that palette, you can also go for singles. I'll suggest you to go for palettes, but if you want, then you can go for singles too. So in singles, I'll be suggesting you Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush. These blushes are very nicely pigmented one, and it comes in this cardboard packaging, very travel friendly and very nice also. These colors are very pigmented and will give you a nice flush of color on your cheek. Next, for highlighters in single, I'll be suggesting you Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. As you all know, it's a very nice highlighting powder, plus it looks very nice. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and it's a very nice highlight. Our base, so we have to set it. For that, we need a setting spray. For that, I'll be suggesting Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, as this is a very nice setting spray. It gives you a very natural finish, as it says, and it comes in different variant too. Is affordable also, as it is Wet n Wild. So this is how the product looks. The downside of this is the spray is a bit harsh, not that too much harsh, but a bit harsh on your skin. Doesn't have that powder finish. As for the price point, it's a very nice. So for eyeshadow, I'll be recommending you to go for these Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes, as these are affordable and you get very nice eyeshadows, and these are very good for your kajal. I'll recommend you Lakme Iconic Kajal. You can also go for Maybelline Colossal one. These are also very pigmented and very nice. It wouldn't smudge. Next, for eyeliner, I'll be suggesting you Lakme Insta Liner. It's very affordable. It's very nice, highly pigmented, won't smudge on your eyelid, and its applicator is very fine too. Good for beginners. So as we are approaching to the end of our kits, if you want some eyebrow products, you can go for Etude House. I use this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil. You can use it. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil because it has a spoolie on one side and the pencil on the other. Plus, it's a very affordable one. You can also use the Wet n Wild one, Wet n Wild eyeshadow stick, or Lakme one, but this one is also very nice. And yes, if you are going for eyeshadow, I'll be suggesting you to go for dark brown colors and not for black, because black will give you a very harsh look and we don't want that. As you're a beginner, you won't be like having those bushy like black lines of eyebrow. Okay, I will next for lipstick, I have Elitten Colourpop's matte lipstick. These are for ₹100 and you get a wide range of colors. It is affordable. This one is in the shade Fairy Pink. It is highly pigmented and plus it's affordable too. This is my video on the essentials for beginners makeup kit. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell right next to it. And if you want to stay connected with me on a regular basis, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Bye you guys.